Now my mind, my soul is more open to what this city is all about. The chakra, the food, the energy. I'm proud of my heritage, and what I've noticed and realized, it's international, cosmopolitan, which means it belongs to everyone who just comes through, appreciates it, give it some love. Yeah, that's Cape Town and my experience.
Do you have any cultural songs, like something that as warlike?
Like warlike, there's plenty.
Or a good Zulu song that's not warlike?
Yeah. I've got a Zulu Nguni song which I wrote, and I recorded it with an acoustic guitar and some beatbox. I can share it with you if you like.
Do you have to pay for that?
Pay attention, please.
Okay, thank you.
I'm a ragamuffin by nature, but sometimes ragat is too rough for some.
Yeah, I'm trying to soften them up a little,
Yeah. So this one is in Xhosa and Zulu, and it's about like spirits coming down and experiencing love. Okay, can I sing now? It makes me a bit shy because I'm not a soft-spoken expressionist. Okay. Umo, ya. Mawuhe. Umo, ya. Mawuhe. Umo, ya. Mawuhe. Umo, ya. Mawuhe. Lengoma. Ingothando. Uxolo. Nemvisiswano. Ayukulwa. Singolonwabo. Matubonke. Singemvisiswano. Ayukulwa singolonwabo matubonke singemvisiswano umo ya mawuhle umo ya mawuhle umo ya mawuhle Umo ya mawuhle Ndicela ndikolele ndicela uxolo ndikolele umo ya mawuhle umo ya mawuhle. Yeah, man.
And that was about a dog and a frog?
No, it's about love and peace.
You see why we make a great duo. I could take something really spiritual and just make it rice and gravy.
Yeah, man.
So explain that to us.
Okay, now Maya means spirit, and it also means wind or air. Maosha, calm down, be humble, basically. And it says, Lengoma Ingotame, it says this song is about love, unity, and communication. And there's a part that says, I forgive you, will you please forgive me? Love is the solution. Kaboom.
Was it about a cat and a dog falling in love?
About a cat and a dog fight.
Oh, you see it?
And deciding to be, not to fall, but to rise in love.
You know, sometimes when people watch my video, they tell me to shut up, Randy, because people are getting this nice, powerful spiritual stuff when I interview Baba, and I would just jump in there like, oh, why does he have to spoil everything?
No, but people shouldn't be too serious. I like that about you.
Humbo, yeah, a cat and a dog. Humbo, yeah, who stole my fish?
It's a remix. That's a Ronnie remix.
That's a Ronnie remix. Zulu. Now, Zulu, is there a land where the Zulus still dance the same way they dance? Like, where's that? What's that land called?
It's called Zululand.
Where is that?
It's in a province called Kwazulu-Natal. It's a province.
And where is that?
It's in the east, north, south of the country. Yeah.
And how often you've been there?
I was there in July last year.
And how far is it from here?
It's about it's 2 hours flight.
Really?
Yeah.
So how come no one has told me about this? That's where I want to go.
Because the country is so broad, it's up to you where you want to be. All we've mentioned is Swaziland and Botswana and Joburg. There's other amazing areas in between, which I never mentioned. Even Cape Town, this is just part of it. It's been, 4 days? You see, even along the coast, I never finished the west coast and the east
So
coast.
Randy wants to discover the entire Africa in what, a month?
A month, you know?
Like, really?
Like,
That's kind of
come on now.
ambitious.
Skip it about.
Skippity boo. Yo. This has been a Teva and Randy program.
Yeah.
Our show, our movies, right?
This is a teaser. I'm teasing you. This is just a foreplay. Not even it's a semi foreplay. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
There's some other corners, and you see in this area they've got a place called Swingers.
Yeah.
It's every Mondays. It's a jazz underground movement.
Here?
Yeah. Monday nights. It's called Swingers. New, fresh jazz players and old school jazz players, and of course, and poets. An amazing scene. And Cape Town has got one of the biggest jazz festivals in the continent, and it's a black. It's got misty. Do you wanna open the aircon? Didn't wanna do the aircon there. It's a bit misty now. Just yeah. So
Wait. Can we pull over here for a second?
Alright.
Let's go help some people. You could keep the car door locked. I'll keep the phone on. Oh, good. It's time to go help some people. I gotta get some stories here. Life. This is nightlife right now. We're going on this part of the film. This is the nightlife part of the film where we shoot the nightlife. It's a good life, and I want you to enjoy yours as we enjoy for you and show you things that you could put on your bucket list, and definitely Cape Town is one of them, right? So what you say? What you say, man? You say bucket list? Cape Town a bucket list?
definitely. So so it have become on top of your list.
Yeah, if you take it to the bucket and put it on the plate, so you see it right away. Yeah, man, you see.
Time. Time is important.
Yo. You have to commit to them, Are you gonna bring them more films?
Most definitely, Rasta. You see, Cape Town is naturally, as a location, is an ancient space. You see me? So it's well untold stories and well positive energies to be experienced. So as me say already, this is just a little taste of what this Cape Town is all about.
This is beautiful Cape Town. What's this right here?
Can't stop.
What is that?
Just a piece of artwork.
That's a park?
Yes, it's a parliament. And it's a park.
Oh wow. Oh wow, so how come I haven't seen this? I'm sorry. This is a different part of the city. I thought that was the only city, that little stretch we saw. Let's go.
Yeah. See this great.
Wow, Parliament. Wow. Wow, look at this place, man. Wow, bro. Wipe the wiper again for me.
This Mandela place.
Mandela
place.
This is Cape Town nightlife. Wipe up, please. Cape Town nightlife with Randy and Trevor. Okay. Why? What am I there? Hold on. Thursday night. So this is it. So them are gone. See, people? See who are on the place? See who are on the place there? See who are on the place there? See them around the place? This is Cape Town. This is Africa, people. This is Africa. This is Africa, my friends. This is the Africa. Right. This is the Africa. This is the Africa they don't tell you about. They don't tell you about this Africa. Yeah? They don't tell you about this Africa. This is the Africa they don't show you on TV. I've never seen this Africa on TV. I've never seen this Africa on TV. Have you ever seen this Africa on TV? You can park here? Huh? You tell them. Okay.
Yo, real things are going on here, man. Me bedroom fly all the way from Brooklyn to represent the Caribbean islands, the American ghettos, right? And speak the truth about the reality. Repatriation is a must. The Caribbeans are coming to Cape Town because Cape Town is fertile for the Rasta man. Full time. Yeah, man. Social work, I could tell you that. You see me? Yeah, man. Kukulate in the place. Cape Coast Cadence, Coriander. Me there.
Yo, this is nightlife in Cape Town, and right now this place is popping. It's on out here, man. Brooklyn, New York, yo, this right now is the hottest place in the world. Yo, tell them why Cape Town. You're on YouTube. Tell them why Cape Town's the hottest place in the world.
Yo. We're in Cape Town right now, and I see my really. I don't know where to say, man, but we're in Cape Town. Welcome one day.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Cape Town hot right now. Nightlife, Cape Town.
Yeah, man.
So it's there. Tight, heavy, black, white, everybody. Look, see them there. See them my lips. I saw them my lips. See them there? Cape Town nightlife. This is South Africa. This is the Africa they don't talk about, right?
Exactly.
You don't see it on the news, right?
Yeah.
You don't see it on YouTube, right? Everybody hide this. Why?
Exactly.
Why y'all hiding this? Top, you're talking about Cape Town versus Johannesburg as far as the differences.
Yeah. According to a lot of Joburg people, black people, they're very uncomfortable when it comes to Cape Town. They feel intimidated by the white supremacy and the white presence and the standards. Cape Town accommodates euros, dollars, and pounds. And with Europe, you can use your Metikash, your Zimbabwean bond, and African currencies. And it's quite black. This town, the city bowl, it's you hardly see white people. You know, the white people, they just use their remote control. They secured in the safety and the hearts on the most precious spots of Johannesburg. And because it's a rat race, crime, there's a lot of haves and the have-nots, a lot of prostitution, a lot of drug addiction and drug inventions, a lot of hustlers trying to make that money, you know.
Yeah.
So it's quite hectic, and Joburg is the port of everyone in the country and the continent, and it's harsh, you know. It's harsh. I've had to spend some time on the streets in Joburg because I had this dream, this vision of being in the entertainment industry, you know. I've performed in strip clubs with my band and then experiencing some humility and warmth from the prostitutes, females, mothers, people who take care of street kids and hobos, you know. Got to understand that gangsters, you know, and artists rule Joburg. But I came across authors, like filmmakers, young, talented, confident black people who changed the country, who had a revolutionary and positive influence. And I was there. You see, when you talk about South African urban history and culture, in Joburg they talk about Sophia Town. In Cape Town they talk about District 6. That was way before the ghetto and the township. So when I was in Joburg in the mid-90s, what they call a Yover, it was like District 6 and Sophia Town. That's where I rubbed shoulders with fashion designers, authors, you know, filmmakers, trade unionists, you know, fundamentalists, nationalists, Pan-Africanists, you know, communists, you name them. All in one pot, under one vision of making this country a better place. making stumbling blocks, stepping stones, you know. We listened to one leader at that time. I'm a Pan-Africanist. But we listened to one voice. We decided Mandela, even if it's Crown 46664, we're going to support him and follow him just for solidarity, you know, so that we have fought. A lot of my peers have been killed because of the struggle. We didn't want our younger generation to go through the same, you know. So an eye for an eye, we live as blind. So we wanted to take it easy and explore the alternative. You see this area right here? This was called Beirut. It was a hardcore shanty town. This was Beirut. If the police were looking for you and you run in this place, they will never get you. It was a jungle, just shanty town, just a jungle. And just there, by the corner, 1994, 4 a.m., January, cops almost killed me. They were coming from this angle. I was right at the corner, maybe about 2 meters away from them. They started shooting at me. And my other brethren coming from the dance hall, but through job hours. And they just, before I could hear the gunshot, I saw it came like, it looked like lasers being spitted out of a barrel of guns. And I saw this hair out of the window. I saw, oh, it was the white cops shooting at me for no apparent reason. It's still on, you know, just like in the States where the white cops want to shoot, I don't know who, why. But we here, it was almost legal for them to do this was like now, 1994, just before the election. I don't want to talk about before 1994, that's history, that's in the past. You can Google it and check some literature. But our intention was to have a good, beautiful, new nation, rainbow nation. So it's been challenging to keep sane and calm. But we're still here, we survived. And we're gonna make it a beautiful place. And it's for everyone. You see me? Yeah, man. Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. And this is Gouleto. And this is Gouleto. And this is Randy Pottinger, Save Jamaica.com. Save Cape Town. Save Africa. Now I've extended my vision to spread my love all over the world. If they need my attention, I'll be there with my cape and my tall shield to protect humanity. Da, 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 da. That's it for tonight's film.
Kaboom.
Yeah.